Boom, 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 boom. Hi guys, here we have my second chocolate frog that I'm going to unbox in this video. Also, I've created my first unboxing of a chocolate frog because I have two of these. So please check that out and I'm going to link it down at the description below. And in that video, my first video of a chocolate frog unboxing, I got Albus Dumbledore. And hopefully, this is a different person. Hopefully, I made a mistake when I was getting my chocolate frogs. Instead of getting them from two different places, I just took two chocolate frogs that were together, and that might probably affect the card that I'm going to get with this one. Also, this was inside my luggage, so as you can see, it's quite warped here and over here. Can you see? Yeah, there. Okay, here it is. It's huge, guys, and it is heavy. Who am I going to have this time? Yes! It's not the same! Again, I'm so happy. And we have here is Rowena Ravenclaw. She's scary, guys. Look at that face. Look at that face. She's staring at you menacingly. Okay, that is it for this video, I guess. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and here's the frog. Also, don't forget to watch my other chocolate frog unboxing, because in that video I said more details about this chocolate frogs here. So thank you guys for watching.